Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I'm doing a quick video on wiping off the leaves of your plants. This is the way that your plant breathes. So if it is very dusty, it will slow the growth of your plant and it wouldn't grow as big and vibrant as it should. Just think of yourself, like if you keep something in your mouth for so long, it's not going to be able to breathe like you should, or even in your nose, I'll say, whatever. So basically what I have is a napkin. I rinsed it with some warm water and I put a dash of Dawn dish liquid in it, and I'm just going through and wiping off all of these leaves. I just got it, I just replanted it, and it is really dusty. I don't know if you could see how dusty this is and how dirty this is, but I'll show you the difference once I wipe it next to another one. So you just want to gently just wipe it and you'll see all the dirt. See all that dirt coming off of it? Just a napkin, or you can get you a microfiber towel. If you have any tips, you can leave them in the comments and I'll listen to those. I'm not an expert, but I'm sharing my love for plants, and this is therapy for me. And having them in my home to get really great oxygen. These are great air purifiers, and a lot of you have been following my videos and watching. There is a playlist for plant care, so I'm gonna start putting all my plant care videos in that playlist. So yeah, look at the dirt on these. They really don't take care of them as much as they should in the stores, so when you get them home, you have to love on them. So that's what I'm doing. See how dirty this one is? I don't know if y'all can see the dirt just in there. Like, you need to get in there and get all that out. Like, that will come out. See the difference? So you want to just get a nice napkin, something soft, not abrasive or anything, and just wipe them. And I'm gonna flip it into a cleaner part so you can see the difference between the napkin, and continue wiping the area and just getting this ready for its new home. I'm gonna let it sit there for like a day or so, then I'll probably water it tomorrow. I gotta do some more research on fiddle leaves. If you have a fiddle leaf, let me know. How do you do it? It has a lot of sunlight where it's gonna be. I know that definitely needs to be a must for the fiddle leaves to thrive. Look how dirty this is. So I'm definitely going to be placing this in a nice spot. I always wanted one, but I was so afraid because they say you really have to have nice, bright area. And now that I have it, I'm excited. And this was only 19 bucks at Lowe's. I don't know what video will come out first, but I did a plant haul and I got some great plants from Lowe's. And this one is one of them. See how dirty after flipping the napkin around? This is definitely one of them, and I'm so excited to have her. I don't know if it's gonna go in my office or in my bathroom. I have two beautiful plants, a ponytail palm, and I have this one, and I'm still debating which one is gonna go where, but you'll see them in the video where I decide to place them. And yeah, so that's how you keep your plant leaves clean and keep them breathing so that they can become more vibrant and continue thriving in whatever area you place them in. And I just took these off because these are damaged. So yeah, all right, let's go place her and you'll see where the other one is. So I moved those faux plants and I'm thinking about putting those there. I just got them sitting there, not planted. This was a part of that plant haul, and they're just sitting inside the pots, just contemplating what I want to do. I don't know if the pots are too big, but I know this one grows really fast and good. That one I don't know too much about, so I'm gonna do some research on them before I decide what pots I'm gonna put them in, but just kind of weighing my options with the pots. So here she is in the bathroom, and yeah, I think she looks pretty there. I'll take that sticker off of her, but yeah, and I'll be doing more research about how to take care of her. But you can see there's a window literally directly across from it, so she's going to get some good light. And then in my office, here is this beauty. I got it when you come in the door. I think this is perfect, and I love the pot. I also have this baby right here in my office, and I'm loving her. And I did the sand on top of this one. But yeah, I think this is going to thrive well, and I think this looks perfect right here. I think this is the perfect spot for this plant. So yeah, those are my plants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to keep your plant clean. And If you have any questions, leave them below, or you want to see something here on the channel, please leave it below. And if you are new to the channel, make sure that you join my family by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are notified every time I load a video and if I throw out bonus videos. And guess what, guys? I will see you guys later, Gators.